welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a small little Ivy Park haul, and that is Beyonce's line. I want to see how they do with the big girls, so let's get into this video. So for those who don't know me, my name is Leslie, and if you like plus size hauls, plus size content, or just content about being confident, you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that way you can see all my crazy videos. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up right now. And yeah, so I spent about $1,000 on Ivy Park products. This is her Valentine's Day line. The stuff literally came out on Valentine's Day, to be quite honest, I think, but I'm not 100% sure. But I went ahead and I got it maybe the day before, maybe that Sunday. I don't remember, but it came really fast. So most of the stuff is gonna be like red. But yeah, I don't know what to expect. I've never tried anything from Ivy Park before. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that piques my interest is this velour pink dress. Everything's still in plastic, so this is literally gonna be my first impression with you guys. And also keep in mind that all the products will be linked in the description box along with my size and everything like that, so you're not concerned about what size you should get. It's all gonna be there. Yeah, it's just like a cute little velour dress with like the Adidas thing on the side. So let me get it on. So I have the first product on. Let me go ahead and show you. So this is the first outfit, well, the first thing in the box. It is the velour dress. It has like the cute little stripe on the side. It's really soft. It's good for like this weather, because you guys know I'm in New York. So it comes up to like a really nice appropriate length. I think you could wear this to work. It's not too high up. It's not like a mini skirt. This is it from behind. I did have to like put my bra straps down so that way you don't have to see that. But yeah, you can wear like shapewear if you feel a little bit uncomfortable with that. But yeah, this is actually really comfortable. I'm loving the quality. The quality is A1, guys. Like, you know, that I never lie about is how good the quality is. And this is super soft, and I think this would be worth the amount of money that it costs. Ivy Park is a little pricey, but after just feeling this alone, I understand the price point, because it's really super duper soft. And I like the way it's shaped. It didn't look like they just added fabric onto the product. It looked like they were like, okay, let's really make this for plus size people, which I actually really like, because if you look on their website, they have like the dress in their like small to extra large, and then they have their like extra large to whatever size it goes up to on their website, and it's like a separate one. And I like that, which makes me feel like they build the clothes differently for plus size. The next thing I got here is like this cute little matching set. This is like a bodysuit, and then these are like the matching pants. They're like not corduroy, but they have like the lines. They're like sweater material, which is interesting. So yeah, let me get into the next outfit. I have the next outfit on, so let me back up. So I had to let you guys know, because I did take my bra off for this, and the reason why is because like you can see it in the back, and I'll show you in a sec what I mean. The bodysuit is really comfortable. It fits really nice. The pants also fit really nice. They're really comfortable and soft. Again, I love like the Adidas stripe on the side. It's really cool. They're tight to the leg. They're not like skinny, but they're not straight leg either. I'm 5'5", and there's a little bit of space in the ankles, so I'm not sure how tall girls would do with this. And I also kind of want to show you in the back, right down here, it says like Ivy Park right here, and it has like the Adidas symbol, which is really cute. I love that detail. So, and it also has like the Adidas right here, which I really like. I love the little details on everything, and I think it says Ivy Park right here, which is really cute. Yeah, the reason why I took my bra off is because this goes so low that if you're a plus size woman, you can't really wear a regular bra with this. So I had to take my bra off. If that's something that makes you uncomfortable, if you don't want to see your bra like under this, because even a strapless bra wouldn't work. A strapless bra wouldn't work with this at all, because the back goes way too low. Like your bra is going to show no matter what. So you have to either not wear a bra or wear boob tape or something. Boob tape usually doesn't work for me, but you know, you just got to do research until you find the things that work. Let me show you the bodysuit by itself. It is like a thong, so you're going to see my underwear. It comes up pretty high, and it's like a thong, and I'm wearing underwear underneath because I can't show you guys. I noticed that if I do this, then I can show you the back of things. So that's why I'm showing you with the underwear, so that way you can see how high up it goes. If you're wearing like jeans, like a regular jeans, this part of your skin will show. Amazing quality. I can't lie to y'all, the quality is like, if you could feel how I feel, it feels like I'm wearing a sweater all over my body. I actually got a bag, which I never usually do. I got like an accessory. So let's see how it goes with it, because it kind of matches these colors. This is the bag. It's Ivy Park. It has like the snakeskin everywhere. It has 3 little pockets here in the front. And then it has like a pocket in the back. Oh, so this is like the main compartment, it looks like, or maybe an extra compartment. Let's see what it looks like on the top. This is like very like fashion, sportsy. Oh wow, there's so much room in here. So it has an extra compartment here, and then the big compartment in the front, and then 3 extra pockets in the front. I love that. And you know, I'm all about detail, so I'm looking at the zippers and stuff. So the zipper has Ivy Park right here. It says like Ivy Park. I don't know if you can see it, which I love. I love little things like that, because then it's like it's worth the money if it has those details. Okay, so I'm assuming this is how you would wear it. I think this is how the model was wearing it. Me personally, not so much. My breasts are way too big for something like this. First of all, I'm not wearing a bra, so that's not gonna work. I could wear like a regular fanny pack. Let me tighten this bad boy. So this would be the fit. It's an oversized fanny pack, so it's not like the small little cute one, but for a bigger girl, I feel like this is really cute. I tried to do the crossbody thing. I hated that. I don't like that at all, but this is really cute actually. Aww. I feel really super confident. Like I could go, but like I said, the boobs, it depends. If you're just going to work out, this is too hot to work out in, so I don't know. If you're just going to chill, then cool, but this is not really my style. But if you're fashion forward, definitely really cute. I was just telling my sister that if you have like a smaller lower body, this kind of brings it together. And I love how it says Ivy Park all around the strap. I got this like snakeskin sports shorts, and then I got this t-shirt to go with it because the matching top to this was, I don't know if it was sold out or what the issue was, but I couldn't order it, and this was like the only thing that would match it. So I was like, okay, well, it's the same red and the same pink on it, so let's see how it looks. I have the next outfit on, so let's see how it goes. This is not my style. The shirt's not my style. It does have the cute little things on the side. Again, it has the heart for Valentine's Day, but like, is this supposed to be my nipples? Because you know, as a big girl, our nipples are like down here. Not that it would make sense to put the hearts there, but the first thing I noticed is like, yeah, this is gonna look weird because our nipples are not there. I mean, maybe your nipples are there, but mine are not. This doesn't really match this as much as I thought it would, even though it has like the pink. And what I will say is that the shorts are sexual. Like, it's like a thong on the outside. It's not, but like they have like a little V right here. So it's very sexy. The shorts are very sexy. Like, I would wear these to the gym. I would wear these just to look hot. I would wear these shopping. I just love these. And it has like the cute pink. And then the same thing in the back. It has like it's just sexual. The lines are like strategically put there for like a sexy feel, I feel like. I really love the shorts. Not so excited about the shirt. It's just not for me. I mean, at least my arms don't feel tight. So comment below what you think of these shorts and this shirt separate, because as a fit, I wouldn't wear this, but if you would, comment below if you would wear this together. You know what it is? I'm not big on taking risk. Yeah, I totally get the shorts. This, 10 out of 10. The shorts, they're super comfortable. I could work out in them. They're silky smooth. Like, you could tell that they're worth the price that they cost. And that's what I'm talking about. If I'm going to pay a lot of money, I want to feel the quality. And I feel the quality in the shorts. This shirt is just uncomfortable. I just want to take it off so bad. And another thing, like, I don't like when things are here anyway. Like, it's not for me. These pants are latex pants, and the way they had it is like with this shirt with these pants. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out my pants real quick to see if this outfit goes a little bit better together. But like I said, I'm not digging the shirt anyway, but let me go ahead and put the pants on. Look at these pants, guys. And it has the stripes on the side. Wait, does it? I thought it did. Oh yeah, it has like the three. These, I don't know. Let me get them on. Let's see. Guys, I went up a size on almost everything except these pants, because I just assumed that because I'm smaller in the bottom that this would be perfect, but I was wrong. So this is what they were. They zip at the bottom so you can get your foot in. Zip the bottom. I guess I'm just a little bit too afraid to try to put it together, and like even when I try to stretch it together, I can't. The stripe is actually in the front. I don't like them. Even if they did fit, I don't think that I would want to wear these. I'm uncomfortable putting them on. I mean, it is cloth in the inside, but I don't know, man. Like, and I don't like, they're sweaty. I don't like this. It's not my vibe. But I also couldn't fit it, so I don't know if it could have been my vibe. It does have like Ivy Park in the back there, which is really cute. And I just love that they zip at the bottom. But you know what I don't like? I don't like when things come with little zippers like this. It took me like an hour just to zip this thing down. This next one I was really super excited about, and I technically fit it, but the zipper is so cheap and faulty that I've had 4 hands try to zip this up and we cannot zip it up. So unfortunately, it could have been a really beautiful bodysuit. However, if you're gonna make the zippers super duper thin and cheap, I don't know. Like, I love the quality of the clothes, but it's like the zipper on the pants also was giving me a hard time too. And I wasn't even gonna try it. But yeah, this, I had 5 people be like, it fits, but I can't zip it. So I'm gonna show you. So this is the bodysuit. It's really pretty. I'm not wearing a bra, so that's good. Yeah, it's really pretty. I love the detail. I love how it's mesh, and then a different color, and then the orange and the pink. It just works really well for Valentine's Day. I'll show you guys the back anyway, even though it's not closed. Yeah, it's just, it gets stuck right here. It's not my fault because it will fit. It's stretchy. There's enough space to get it closed. You can tell, especially if I do this. It will close. The zipper won't let me close it. I had my sister try, my cousin try, my cousin's wife try. So yeah. But other than that, I mean, if you get one where the zipper works a little bit better, yeah, I mean, it's really pretty, good quality. So my final conclusion on the Ivy Park stuff is that they're really good quality. They're different, they're fashionable. The price meets the standard of what you're gonna get. I think that even the workout clothes, like the biker pants, are so soft and the quality is so nice, and it's just silk on the skin. The fact that it feels like butter, like all of this, even the bodysuit, even though I had a hard time with the zipper, everything is so comfortable and soft, and except for that shirt, that crop top, I mean, I was just uncomfortable because I don't like stuff up here. But other than that, really great quality, really interesting, really different. So if you're a little bit afraid to spend your extra money, just know it fits on plus size and it's really good quality. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.